Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to watch Crunchyroll on our smart TV. We will see the installation and activation steps. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Crunchyroll is a popular destination for watching anime content, and we have a lot of regional dubbed content as well. If you have an account and if you want to enjoy this experience on your smart TV, then here are the steps for that. Before that, it is better to keep your smartphone handy with the Crunchyroll account as well. We can download this app on our Play Store or App Store. We can use the free account or sign up for a free 7-day trial. Now we have to download this app and install on our smart TV. All our smart TVs have an app store. We just have to go there, search for the app and download it. This is for our Samsung smart TV, and for our Google TV, we can also go to our app section and we can download it there. We can go to our app section, search for Crunchyroll, and we can install the app here as well. That's all. To activate Crunchyroll on our smart TV, we can do this by 3 methods: scan QR code, activate with code, and log in with email. We will see them one by one now. And if we don't have an account, we can go to create account and create a new account as well. So after downloading and installing the app, we will get this Crunchyroll icon. We just have to open that. And here we will get two options: login and start free trial. If we start the free trial option, then we have to create a new account and sign up for the 7-day free premium trial. We have to pay after that, so we can either pay or cancel the subscription accordingly. So here we will select the login option, and we have the different options here. We will start with login with email. The process is straightforward. We just have to manually enter our email address and the password here, the ones associated with our Crunchyroll account. I'll enter this and get back to you. So after entering the email address and password, we have to select the login option. That's all. We can now access our Crunchyroll account on our smart TV by directly entering the email address and password. Now for the activate with code option, we can open a web browser on our mobile or desktop and enter crunchyroll.com/activate. We have to go to this URL and log in using our Crunchyroll account, and then we have to enter this activation code shown on the screen. We have to do this quickly before it resets. Q9JQ3M, and we can activate this. That's all. Now it should reflect on our smart TV as well. That's all. And now for the scan QR code option, we have to take our smartphone and open the camera app, and we just have to point this to the QR code. We will get a clickable link. Select that and it will open our Crunchyroll app. Now here we have to select add device. That's all. It will reflect on our smart TV as well. That's all we have to do. These are the steps to use Crunchyroll on our smart TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.